Neville boys, Ben here. Today I'm going to fix the exhaust leaks in my Vmax. They're pretty big, but sound speaks louder than words. As you can hear, the exhaust leaks are pretty bad. So let's get this exhaust off and check it out. I don't know if you guys know this, but this exhaust is not actually stock with the Vmax, the 94 Vmax 500. I have to say, he did a pretty good job with these springs. They hold pretty good. Got the exhaust pulled and oh my. That is more like a black hole than a leak. Look at that. Wow. There's a bit on the other cylinder and there's some cracks here as well, but that is some serious leakage right there. But I'm gonna try to fix it with this JB weld. All right, we got the JB weld on. Looks pretty good. All right, I got a patch cut out. So the steel roofing was too thin, kept burning through. Now I got some saw. we cut it out of a saw. So it should be stronger. Seems to be holding up pretty good. She's rough, but who cares? All right, we got her welded up. Had to patch it around with some JB weld around there. Some heat-proof caulking just to make sure she's sealed up. She doesn't look too pretty. Hopefully it works. All right guys, so the old exhaust gasket went. So we got some exhaust gasket maker from the local shop. Copper high resistance, just gonna on, clean her up. Should be good to go. Seal her up. Fun. All right, we got the exhaust on. Just gotta wait for it to cure, and then I'm gonna tighten it fully, and then we're good to go. Nice and sealed. I'll do a sound test. All right, about like 15 hours later, she looks pretty dry. Let's pull her over. Whoa, buddy. I heard a poof when I started it. Might have blew a little bit of out, but definitely sounds better than it did, I think. So, yeah. This has been the Neville boys. See you in the next one.